the top tip. Trees make you feel good, so you should think about planting one. Even if you don't have enough room for a big tree, there are plenty of small trees that you can even plant in a pot. Like a lemon tree! You can even grow a lemon tree from some seeds. So long as you have a lemon with pips and a pot of soil, then you are good to go. Lemon trees make fantastic houseplants during the winter, and they can grow happily outdoors during the spring and summer. This is why it's such a great idea to plant one in a pot, so you can move it around. Your small tree may or may not produce fruit, but you still get that nice lemony scent all year round.
Game changer! Do you have trouble remembering all the things about your favourite trees? If the answer is yes, then check out this game changer. You can take a scrapbook and turn it into a tree diary. Now to get tree spotting. When you spot an awesome tree, pick up some of its fallen leaves. Then stick those leaves in your tree diary. You can write down things about that tree. You can even write notes on what the tree's flowers smell like. You can use your tree diary to write down anything and everything about your favorite trees. Tree diaries? They're a game changer. My backyard! Hello, everybody. This tree is my favourite tree in the whole garden.
I love jacarandas.
My favourite plant is the woolly bush. It's so soft and fluffy.
I love this tree because it provides us shade, pollen for our bees, and it holds us sweet. Like, what more could you want from a tree?
Isn't my favourite tree called silver birch? It's called silver birch because it has a big trunk. That's silver.
I'm talking about mulberry trees today.
It's a great hideout. You didn't even know I was here.
I like mulberries because they're sweet and black, and they're really yummy.
This is my mango tree. This is the mango tree, but we didn't got any mangoes from last year. I think because of my dad snipped it.
Hi, this is an ivy leaf. I like it because it's pointy. It's my favorite, and I call it the Huggly Wuggly tree.
This is my favorite tree, and it looks like a dragon to me. In autumn, the leaves on the trees change colour and fall down. We get to throw them at Grandpa!
And I really like rainforests because, well, they're beautiful and they just give you joy in life.
Bye!